channel. We're in Camden today and I'll take you to Camden Market. Let's see what we have there today. So I'm just taking a walk through the market. It's not too busy today though. I've never actually been here before, so it is my first time. So if you're local at any time, we are okay. It's really busy though. There's a lot going on. They sell all types of food. They've got Indian as well. There's Indian food. If you're vegetarian as well, they've got Thai food there. So you see what I'm talking about, they sell jewelry, then they sell bags, then right opposite where they sell bags and jewelry, they've got Chinese food. Okay guys, I've left Camden Market. I'm just on High Street, just walking around. Really busy. A lot of excited people as well. Okay guys, we're literally on Camden High Street. It's really busy. Okay, so they've got a shop that sells vintage clothes. That's quite cheap actually. I swear Camden is really random though. There's literally a lot of random stuff. It's all you can eat. All you can eat for £8.80. I wonder what they sell here. Oh, it's Chinese. Okay, they've got this really cool coffee shop. Oh my days. That's really colorful. Like I said earlier, Camden's quite eccentric. For those who are into this sort of fashion, there's a lot for you here. Okay guys, for all of you that like your shopping, Camden is a very good place to shop. They've got a very busy high street. They sell all sorts. They sell bags, jewelry, clothes, and they close late on a Sunday as well. So you don't have to obviously rush to come here to shop.
How are you?
Hi guys, I've met a friend here. What's your name?
My name is Armando.
Armando.
What's your name?
Hi, Adsway.
Adsway.
Yeah,
Alright,
Adsway.
nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you guys. So we're just here walking on the high street. Where are you off to anyway?
So I just moved recently in this area. I've been living in West London, East London, but this one for me is the best though. I love it. It's so cool.
Yeah?
It's so cool. Live music, everything, food.
Nice,
Good
nice,
vibes.
nice. Okay, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
What's your channel? I'm gonna follow you.
Adsway. I'll type it on your phone now.
Alright. Sorry guys, I don't know if you wanna put pause or whatever. Let me follow you.
Okay.
I'm gonna follow this guy because he's so cool.
Thank you.
You're gonna put this video?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on.
Cool though.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, great. Canary Wharf, I was living there like last week, like I was living in Canary Wharf.
So, like,
yeah, of course. And then
subscribe. Oh,
One sec.
my days. What have I done?
Yeah, I
You
know
wanna go
how
back?
to do it. I know. Oh.
Yeah, so go back. Then allow.
Yeah, okay. Done.
Then good. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Cool, man.
Thank
Cool.
you.
See you, bro.
Yeah, see you later.
Enjoy your video. Hello.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Have a nice.
Okay, guys. Let's keep walking. So, like I said, there's a lot to do on the high street. There's a lot that they're selling. It's quite busy. They have a lot of tourists as well. So we're walking towards the market. So we're walking towards the market. It's amazing how busy it is, especially on a Sunday evening. It's quite busy. Thank you guys. I'm going to end it here. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later.